video, I'll be showing you how to make your own exfoliating shower gel. Have you ever wondered how to become your own very beautician? How to be able to make something that will exfoliate your skin and make you acne free? Yes, I am here to take you through that. You'll be able to make your own exfoliating shower gel, either for purposes of sale or to use it in your house. Welcome everybody. Go straight into the identification of our chemicals. This is our liquid soap base. You can either use the liquid soap base or you use your liquid castor soap. Either of the two will give you a perfect result. We have our honey. This is honey. We all know that honey is a very good exfoliant. We have our oil, our essential oil, the beauty series oil, the neem oil, the grapeseed oil mixed together. We have our aloe vera powder. We have our orange peel powder. We have our cinnamon powder. We all know that cinnamon powder exfoliates a lot. When we talk about peel, acne or whatever, it's a no-go area. And this is our neem powder. Also, we're having our Epsom salt, the major ingredient in this formulation. So when you have all these ingredients ready, you are ready for your exfoliating shower gel. So let's see how we can produce our own exfoliating shower gel. The very easiest form of producing it. This is our castor soap. It's 1 liter. 1 liter of our liquid castor soap. I'm pouring it into the bowl. This is our 1 liter castor soap. You can do it for commercial purpose. You can use it for exfoliating at home. If you have been battling with pimples, you are battling with spots, you can use this on your skin. You can sell it to those people that are interested. Now, I'm going to be using my cinnamon powder. This is my measurement spoon. I'm going to be using only 1 spoon. I have this container to dissolve my Epsom salt. This is my Epsom salt. I'm going to be using 100 ml of water. This is 250 ml. So because it has the measurements, I'm going to be measuring 100 ml. I'm pouring it inside. You can see I've been able to measure it, and I'm going to pour it. I'm going to be measuring 2 teaspoons of my Epsom salt. Here is my Epsom salt, as you can see. I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of my Epsom salt, as you can see, and I'm going to be turning it, mixing it thoroughly. Thereafter, I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of my cinnamon powder. 1 teaspoon of my cinnamon powder. I'm going to be adding it inside the combination of the Epsom salt so that it's going to dissolve, because it's water soluble. Our Epsom salt is water soluble. I'm also going to be adding 1 teaspoon of our orange peel. 1 teaspoon of our orange peel. I'm also going to be adding it inside the water, as well as 1 teaspoon of our aloe vera powder. 1 teaspoon of our aloe vera powder. I'll be adding it inside the mixture, and I'm going to be giving it a thorough mix. I'm going to be giving it a thorough mix. I hope you can see. I'm trying to mix it before the time I pour it into the solution. Here is our solution. I'm mixing it together. I'm adding that now. I'm adding that now. I'm adding that now. I'm adding that now. Now, this production I'm making is a 2-in-1 production. What I mean by that is that if you are peradventure, there are some people that don't like powders. They don't like rough edges on their skin. It means that if you are using either of the cinnamon, or you are using the orange peel, or you are using the aloe vera, you use the oil. If you are that particular person that doesn't like rough edges on your skin. But for those of us that are interested in rough edges, because of the word exfoliating, then I would advise that you use the powders. But let me repeat, if you don't want rough edges on your skin, you can use, instead of orange powder, you use orange oil. Instead of aloe vera powder, you use aloe vera oil. So I hope we get that. Here is our neem powder. We're also going to be using 1 tablespoon. Now that we have mixed it, we can decide to pour directly. We are going to be using 1/2 tablespoon of our neem powder. It works perfectly against blemishes, against anything that has negativity with the skin. Also, we are going to be adding 1/2 teaspoon of our oil. In this oil, I have my beauty series oil, I have my neem oil. So I'm going to be adding, is mixed together, and we all know that beauty series oil is when it comes to skin beauty series is one of the oils that we cannot joke with. So I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons, 1/2 tablespoon each, that's 1 tablespoon of my oil into my Peradventure, you want this to exfoliate you, as well as you also want it to give you a brighter look, a brighter skin. You will be adding your skin-free milk. I'm not adding skin-free milk now because the purpose is not for the brighter look, but for it to serve as an exfoliating shower gel. Thereafter, we'll be adding our honey. This is 100 ml of honey. This is original honey. Honey, you can call it organic honey. So we are going to be adding our exfoliating. We are going to be adding our honey. We all know that honey is a good exfoliant. It's very good, it's an antioxidant. It works wonders on our skin. So if peradventure, if you are in that family or the people that want to use the oil, you don't want to use powders like I did. I used aloe vera powder, I used orange powder. You are going to be using your orange oil, and you are going to be using your aloe vera oil. If you intend to use only the oils, you have to mix your oil with Texapon, little Texapon, before you pour it into the mixture. So we have added our honey, and thereafter we will be adding our perfume. Now, the fragrance of perfume is optional. You can decide to add it, you can decide not to add it. This seems more like a treatment gel. You use it for those people that are having acne and having issues with their skin. When you use this, within few weeks, you start seeing difference. You can rub it before the time you take your bath. Rub it few seconds when you want to brush and do other things before you eventually take your bath. By the time you are through, after few weeks, you start seeing visible difference. Let me say 2 to 3 weeks, you start seeing visible difference. So don't forget, I used 1 liter of my soap base, I used 100 ml of my honey, I used 2 tablespoons of my essential oil, which includes beauty series oil, grapeseed oil. I used my Epsom salt, 2 tablespoons. I used my orange peel and my aloe vera powder, as well as my neem powder and my cinnamon powder. I hope you will try this. I hope I will be able to see comments about how you have tried it and how it has worked for you in the description center. And I hope that thereafter, for those of you that are interested in selling, you will be able to give me feedback on how people love this product, and you'll be able to know that it is important at this junction that you subscribe, that you share my videos, share the videos to your family, friends as a gift. You can give this video as a gift to a loved one. You know, you can give us a thumb up. You can join the MarvGold family. As you join, we give you notice of other videos, of other series of videos that will be coming for your benefits.